Today we're opening the Tractor Basics land plane. This land plane, well, it's packed, typical of the way Tractor Basics packs all of their attachments, which is not typical of other manufacturers. This extra cardboard covering is quite unique. I've just not seen that from any other manufacturer providing that level of protection. In my case, I ordered a quick hitch at the same time, also available from tractorbasics.com. That's not a part of the land plane, but it's being shipped together here for efficiency. I wanted to mention that at this point. We'll take a closer look at that another time. It even fits. It's fully assembled except for the top link. This is tightened. I'll have to remove this bolt, fold both of these up, and I believe we'll be ready to go. Loosen these two down here. Match up the hole. And that should be all there is to it. The standard hole for the quick hitch is one up from the bottom. But what I'm seeing here is that the top link is too high. We have a separate hole here where we can lower that. I'm going to do that now so that I'm compatible with not only this quick hitch, but all quick hitches. Should be trivial. I'll get this top one loose. You need an 1 1/8" socket and wrench for this, and they are lock nuts, so I do recommend an impact just for simplicity. Most quick hitches use a category 3 lift pin size. So in order to make that work, we have to have some bushings. I have 2 bushings. I go from category 1 to category 2 and then category 2 to category 3. Hopefully we can make these available at tractorbasics.com so that you can just include them in your order if you're using a standard quick hitch. So here we go again. This blade's available in 5-foot or 6-foot models. As you can see on our subcompact tractor, the 5-foot model will be the right one. Even a 5-foot land plane is as much or maybe even more than a subcompact tractor wants, but I think you're going to want that width blade overall. It's the best compromise for the subcompact tractor. When you get narrower with the land plane, it's a little harder to do what you need to do. You kind of need that width to be able to do that leveling and smoothing. You can make up for your lack of horsepower with just managing your 3-point hitch angle. Yeah, there's several techniques that you'll learn over time. It comes tightly shipped, very compact. It's easy to assemble. It's built quite heavy. There's adjustment of the actually cutting surfaces here, up and down. You also have the scarifiers that are unique, that have different depths they can be set in 1-inch intervals. Overall, this is quite a land plane for its price. Now from my standpoint, it just keeps getting better and better, right? I'm seeing more and more loose big rock on top, just like I want, and more grass being pulled out, and overall the driveway is getting smoother.